What you need to know about anthrax. Anthrax has been around since around 700 BC, with the first clinical description of anthrax being in the 1700s, and the first vaccine for anthrax being made by Louis Pasteur in 1881, with 1937 being the year when the first vaccine for anthrax in animals started reducing the number of cases for humans with anthrax. And in the 1950s being when the first anthrax vaccine for humans was created with a 92.5% effectiveness. Also, being in 2006 was when a drum maker in New York was diagnosed with a inhalation form of anthrax, which he contracted from working with skins that had not been properly treated, or and he was not wearing the correct protective equipment. And in 2009, a woman in Connecticut was diagnosed with gastrointestinal anthrax, which, through later investigation, spores had been found on two animal skin drums that had been played, and those drums had released spores into the air. Who is at risk? Anthrax can be found all around the world and affects domestic and wild animals around the world. The main the main people at risk are people who handle animals and people who travel to other countries and or people that may be exposed during a bioterror event involving anthrax spores. With the different types of anthrax, the parts of the body affected can be different for each. Some specifics for each kind of anthrax are for, for inhalation form of anthrax being more involved with the respiratory system, and the gastrointestinal form of anthrax showing more symptoms involving the gastrointestinal tract. For example, swelling of the abdomen. To prevent a person getting anthrax, the best way to do that is getting the vaccine for anthrax if you have a job that may put you at risk to come in contact with anthrax. The most common forms of treatment being getting to a doctor as quickly as possible if you think you have been in contact with anthrax spores, so that you can have the best chance of a full recovery while the spores are still inactive. If this is not possible, doctors must use antitoxins along with other treatment options to target toxins that anthrax created. Anthrax is a gram-positive rod-shaped bacterium.